Just a recap on electrolysis again. It's a bit of a slow going process on this one. I did it with some drifts, some long drifts, and I put some more some cleaning crystals in, some sodium carbonate, and I put it in around about coming up to 10 o'clock this morning, so it's still I think it's going to take me another, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon now, so we're talking I think up to about 5 or 6. It looks like it's cleaning around the edges, I can see, but I think there's thicker bits of steel on here what are a bit on a, I think it's a bit of a slow going process, still work in progress on that. So it's taken about 4 to 5 hours. I'm going to stop over a cup of tea and pack up my gear. I've done a little bit of welding on my car, so just a bit.